Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to calculate percentage. This will be an easy tutorial for calculating the percentage of any set of numbers. Let's get right into the video. What you need to do is basically get your top number and divide it by your bottom number. So we're gonna have two numbers, okay? We're gonna have a number on the top and then a number on the bottom. Okay, so we have two numbers. We're going to take our top number over here and it's going to be divided by the bottom number right over here. So basically, I'm going to give you some examples. Now let's say we have 3/4. Okay, so we want to calculate the percentage of 3/4. We take 3 and we divide it by 4. So top number divided by the bottom number. 3 divided by 4 is equal to 0.75. Now already by looking at this, you should know that it is 75%. But what we will do to make it official is we take this answer and we multiply it by 100. Okay, so 0.75 times 100, if you put it in on a calculator, if you move the decimal 2 spaces, it's going to equal 75%. So that's how you calculate percentage. Let's go with a bigger number, with a 2-digit number over a 2-digit number. And I'll bring it a little bit closer to the camera over here. So we're going to do 45 out of 50. So let's say you get this mark on a test, which is a great mark, by the way. You're going to do 45 divided by 50 because it's top number divided by the bottom number. So 45 divided by 50 is equal to 0.9. Now this is a little bit more tricky because 0.9, it looks like it's 9%, but it's not. It's not 9%. It's actually 90%, because if we take 0.9 and we multiply it by 100, it gives us 90, which is the percentage, 90%. So basically, to calculate percentage, you take your top number divided by your bottom number. It's going to spit out an answer, and then you're going to need to take that answer and multiply it by 100. Now, once you get good at it, you'll be able to just look at this decimal and know what percentage it is. But, you know, as you're learning, you want to make sure to multiply by 100 so that you know you're going to get it right on the test or for whatever you're calculating a percentage for. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.